Hello bachcho, let's see the question, and the question says that show the points 1, -9, -1, comma 2 and -3, -3, comma 0 in order are the vertices of a parallelogram. Okay, okay. That this is a point A and this is a point B. Okay, and let's join point A to B. Okay, this is coordinate of point A x1, y1 and z1, and let's say this is a point B, that is x2, y2 and z2. Okay, and let's say point C is a midpoint of AB, and let's say the coordinate of point C is x, y, and z. So here C is midpoint of AB. Okay, so from here we can write the coordinate of point C, that is x, y, z, is equal to formula, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2 and comma z2 upon 2. That is a formula to find the coordinate of x, y and z. Okay, so in this question we have given 4 points and taken in order are the vertices of the parallelogram. So we have to prove, let's say this is a quadrilateral ABCD, and we have to prove this parallelogram. So this is point A, B, this is point C and point D. Coordinate of point A is 1, 3, 0. Coordinate of point B is -5, 5, 2. And coordinate of C is -9, -1, 2. And coordinate of point D is -3, Okay, so from here, let's join diagonal AC and BD. So we know that the property of a parallelogram, diagonal bisect at a point, and let's say this is a point O. So for parallelogram we have to prove here midpoint of AC is midpoint of BD, because the diagonal bisect at a same point. Okay, so we have to prove here midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Okay, so let's solve a question. Okay, so let's prove here first our LHS part, that is midpoint of AC. Here midpoint of AC. Okay, and here we need to prove this. Okay, we need to prove this. Okay, midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Okay, so here midpoint of AC will be, that is x1 upon x2. So coordinate of A here is 1, 3, 0, and coordinate of C here, that is -9, -1, -2. So this is our x1, this is our y1, this is our z1, this is our x2, this is our y2, and this is our z2. So from here we can write 1 minus 9 upon 2, comma 3 minus 1 upon 2, and comma 0 plus 2 upon 2. That is our coordinate of a midpoint of AC. So that will be -8 upon 2, comma 2 upon 2, 2 upon 2. So that will be -4, 1, 1. So that will be our midpoint of AC. Now we need to prove here our RHS point. So our RHS is a midpoint of BD. So that will be, we have here our B coordinate is, that is -5, 5, 2. Point D is -3, -3, 0. So midpoint of BD is, then we have, this is x1, this is y1, this is z1, this is x2, this is y2, this is z2. So that will be uh, -5 -3 upon 2, comma 5 minus 2, and comma 2 plus 0 upon 2, bracket closed. Okay, so from here we can write minus 8 upon 2, comma 2 upon 2, comma 2 upon 2. Okay, so implies that we have here 4, comma 1, comma 1. And let's say that was our equation number first and that is our equation number second. So as we can see, our equation number first, LHS part is equal to RHS part. Okay, here RHS is equal to LHS. So we can say that, we can say given vertices are parallelogram vertices. Parallelogram vertices. Okay, so I hope you all understood this explanation. Thank you and all the best.